Law is yet another field that is as exciting as engineering. Lawyers are one of the most respected professionals in our society today. They defend the right, oppose the wrong, and help restore justice. Everyone at some point of time in their lives seek legal advice from a lawyer. Some of the basic characteristics of lawyers or students aspiring to be lawyers are good communication skills, logical reasoning, power of concentration, patience, and a good memory. Criminal law. A bachelor's degree in criminal law deals with a complete understanding of the Indian Penal Code and studying criminal cases, starting from petty crimes to major ones.
Basically, I'm interested in international criminal law practice. I want to help victims of war and engage myself in humanitarian operations, and I want to work with United Nations and delegate in ICRC, that is International Committee for Red Cross and Crescents.
After completing a degree in criminal law, law graduates join as trainees under accomplished criminal lawyers, assist them in cases, acquire skills, and slowly move up the ranks. Being a criminal lawyer is one of the most rewarding professions. Company law. Company law deals with how the various stakeholders of a company interact with one another. It provides the legal framework for the company to operate on. Graduates of company law get placed in large organizations that need legal experts on their board, and lawyers are crucial to efficient functioning of large business houses.
In today's economic growth, corporates are playing a very vital role. The corporate company needs lawyers and attorneys to advise them, to keep their records and draft MOUs at the time of mergers and acquisition. It too has glamour in addition to high salaries and incentives.
Besides criminal and company law, law as a field has various other branches to specialize in. Business management. Some kids are born managers, whereas some are made. Managers need the skills to work in teams, delegate tasks, supervise them, and most importantly, lead the team. It is easy to spot students with managerial ability right from school days. They take initiative, organize events, show leadership abilities, and have a good equation with all fellow students. A management degree helps hone student skills and prepares them to work in the corporate world, as they are the ones who go on to become CEOs of organizations. MBA in Finance.